Okay, this is how to install Python on a Windows computer. I've navigated to python.org. Let's hover over the Downloads tab, and it detects that I'm on a Windows computer. This is the latest Python version. We'll click on that. It may be a different version for you, depending on when you're installing this. And as we install that, we see the files downloaded. We'll click on that, and it's going to start the installation. Now, one thing that's important is that we click add python.exe to path, which will make running Python programs easier. And we're just going to click through install now. If you want to change the location of your Python install, you can do so with a custom installation. And we'll click install now and go through that installation. Okay, I fast forwarded through that. It only took about 30 seconds, pretty quick. Now we're done with the installation and we can close this. And on to verifying that Python installed correctly. So first of all, let's open up command prompt and we can type python dash dash version. If a version shows up, that means Python is installed. We can also type pip3 dash dash version. And if a version shows up, pip is installed. That's the Python package manager, which we need. And we can also open up a program called idle, which is a Python IDE that's just out of the box and we can use very quickly for developing Python. We see we can run programs in there in Python, and also we can just type Python here at command prompt and run Python code here as well. So we now know that our Python installation was successful on a Windows computer, and we're ready to go.